We've all heard of bed and breakfast, but near St. Pete, there's a different twist. Welcome to Peninsula Bed Cocktails in Gulfport, one of the funkiest towns in the Tampa Bay area, known for its quirky and vibrant art scene. The Peninsula, dating back to 1905 on Beach Boulevard, originally opened as a hotel, later served as a hospital during World War II, then sat abandoned before eventually being turned back into a hotel. There was a renovation in early 2024 that brought this fun and fizzy concept to life. The party starts as soon as you arrive at Peninsula Bed Cocktails because the front desk is a bar and the elevator is a tiny speakeasy. There are 16 individually decorated rooms named after cocktails, so you can come back over and over again and have a completely different experience. I stayed in the mimosa room where everything was bright orange, even the curtains. There are island vibes in the pina colada room with fun pineapple wallpaper. For a sophisticated and elegant feel, check out the cosmopolitan room with glamorous details. And the Greyhound Martini Suite on the first floor is perfect for bigger parties or anyone traveling with a dog. And get this, you can actually arrange to have a ready-to-pour drink waiting for you in your room. As far as food goes, a daily continental breakfast is available for guests to enjoy. I highly recommend sitting out on the porch before spending the day exploring this quirky town. Check the caption for my favorite places to explore while you stay at Peninsula Bed Cocktails. And be sure to hit subscribe because this is one of more than 20 historic properties I've been checking out across Florida to help you find your next unique getaway.